And our third group of amenity kits from different airlines, we are going to the Middle East and Asia with our final 3 airlines. So first up, we have Emirates, which have a women's option and a men's option for first class.
Straight off the bat, these are really heavy. They
Oh my
are
gosh, yeah.
fully brimming with products. Now, these were designed in partnership with Bulgari, is that correct?
It is so fancy.
Wow. Deodorant.
We've got the women's version.
Nice. Shaving foam.
Okay, that is fancy.
It really
Oh my
is. And
goodness.
a razor too.
Oh wow.
Yeah. A flick comb. Do you remember these?
Oh my gosh, I do. And they're
Yeah.
actually so helpful.
They are. They're really good, actually.
Oh, okay, so we don't have a razor, but the ladies do get a mirror.
We're getting fancy, people.
Yep.
We're getting really fancy over here. Beautiful. Nice cologne.
Oh my goodness.
Lovely.
Okay, so for the ladies, we have a face emulsion and a scented body lotion.
Beautiful.
And we do have our eau de toilette.
Mm-hmm.
Very cute.
Now, just a bit of plain etiquette for you. Please do not spray your fragrance while you're sitting in your seat.
This is a very impressive lineup.
It really is.
I'd be stoked. And the bags themselves, great.
really,
10
really
out of
nice.
10 would use again.
Oh, absolutely.
I do kind of like the guys one, but it's okay.
So do I, if I'm honest.
Yeah.
I feel like this kind of fits my aesthetic. You know, I like the black and the tan. Really beautiful.
Next, we are going to fly with Qatar, who again have also got, we'll swap around this time.
So can I have the girls?
Yeah, the ladies and the men's option.
Mm-hmm.
And they have a very exciting collaboration.
With Diptyque. Now, again, my friends who love Mecca will be so excited about this because Diptyque is just such a gorgeous beauty brand. Oh my gosh, it smells nice. You first open the bag and it smells nice. We've
Yep.
got eau de toilette, really great size. Body lotion, beautiful. Face cream.
Essential, yep. Getting dehydrated on those flights.
And a lip balm. So a really good selection of products there as well. I'm curious to know which scents they've included.
really matched you for,
Yeah.
oh, are they different?
Oh no, they're the same.
No, they are the same.
Great, we love that.
Oh, and earplugs, that's cute. That's all kind of tucked in.
Probably not as nicely presented.
No, which I think is why they're hidden in the side.
Yes, yeah.
These are quite thin.
Yes,
I'm
they
gonna
are.
say.
Yeah. I was going to say they remind me of some of the other socks we've seen already.
Yes. And our final one, they've really gone all out. This is Singapore Airlines. So we have a men's option, we have women's first class, and then we have a unisex option as well,
Okay.
which is very progressive of them.
Yeah.
And then we have a business class option as well. So maybe let's jump into the unisex, and I'll do the men and women's.
Now, this one interests me. It includes a room spray. Now, I'm not entirely sure how and why you would use a room spray on a flight.
No, I mean, how big are the cabins?
Yeah, I don't know. So yeah, that's an interesting one. Maybe a
More of
face
a nice to
mask.
have.
Yeah. We haven't come across this yet. Clear plastic bag.
Okay, these are actually really helpful.
They really are. If you don't want things to leak in your bag, or if you need to be putting things into your carry-on and you don't have a clear plastic bag, here's one right here, which is great. Another lip balm.
This is
Oh,
this is quite bulky and heavy for a flight option, but very
really is.
nice.
It's gorgeous.
I would definitely keep that.
beautiful bottle. They've gone very, very girly with this one, haven't they?
They really have.
Yeah.
A quick peek in the men's one to see if it's similar. Oh yes, black. So similar. So I think it's the same products, but just in a
different scent.
in a masculine colour. Oh yeah. Oh no, maybe it is a different scent. Yes, it is.
The quilting detail's really lovely. Really
I like
nice.
that a lot.
Gorgeous.
Amazing.